Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best 24-port network switch on the market, the TP-Link TLS-G1024S. If you're looking to expand your network with a reliable, high-performance switch, this model stands out with a combination of robust features, ease of use, and solid build quality. The TP-Link TLS-G1024S is designed to meet the needs of both home users and small to medium-sized businesses. It offers 24 Gigabit Ethernet ports, each supporting speeds of 10, 100, and 1000 megabits per second with auto negotiation and auto 1501 MDIX. This means it can intelligently detect the speed of connected devices and adjust accordingly, ensuring optimal performance without the need for manual configuration. One of the major highlights of this switch is its energy-efficient technology. It reduces power consumption without compromising network speed or reliability, which helps save money on electricity bills while supporting a large number of devices. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone conscious about both performance and sustainability. In terms of design, the TLS-G1024S features a sturdy metal casing that not only adds durability but also aids in heat dissipation. Unlike cheaper plastic switches, this metal enclosure protects against electromagnetic interference and enhances the longevity of the device. Its compact size fits a standard 1U rack mount space, and it includes a rack mount kit for easy installation in server rooms or network closets. Alternatively, it works perfectly as a desktop switch. Noise is often a concern with network equipment, but this model addresses that with a fanless design, ensuring whisper-quiet operation. This is ideal for quiet office environments or even home setups where noise can be distracting. Another great feature of this switch is its simplicity. It's an unmanaged switch, meaning no complicated software or setup is required. You just plug it in and start connecting your devices. Despite its simplicity, it still supports IEEE 802.3x flow control to ensure reliable and seamless data transfer, preventing packet loss and maximizing network efficiency. The TLS-G1024S supports traffic optimization features as well, allowing your network to run smoothly even with multiple devices connected. This switch can handle large bandwidth files with ease, making it suitable for streaming, gaming, VoIP, or any bandwidth-intensive tasks. When it comes to compatibility, this switch works seamlessly with all standard Ethernet-enabled devices, whether routers, range extenders, computers, printers, or network cameras. It can easily expand your network capacity, supporting up to 24 wired devices at gigabit speeds. Included in the box, you get everything you need: the switch itself, a power cord, installation guide, rack mount kit, and rubber feet for desktop placement. The dimensions are compact at just 11.6 inches long, 7.1 inches wide, and 1.7 inches tall, making it versatile for different setups. Backing this product is a 3-year warranty and free technical support available during business hours. This gives you peace of mind knowing TP-Link stands behind their hardware. Overall, the TP-Link TLS-G1024S combines solid performance, durability, energy efficiency, and ease of use in one package. Whether you're expanding your home network or upgrading your business infrastructure, this switch is a smart choice for reliable gigabit connectivity without the hassle of configuration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in reliable network expansion, the TLS-G1024S should definitely be on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.